Hindi ko na ginanto yung Airbnb namin because kapag ka Airbnb, it's a typical condo na ano, diba? So nothing really much to share. Now we are here for I think overnight or probably 2 nights, no? Dito kami sa Dusit Thani. Dusit Thani, Cebu, Mactan, if I'm not mistaken. So the usual, nakapasok na ako ng room. And then pagkapasok mo ng room, syempre nailagay na namin gamit namin. Pagkapasok mo ng room, there's a cabinet here. And yung cabinet na yan, it's basically for the, ayan, yung kanilang fire extinguisher and mga plancha. And then, open cabinet would be, ayan, yung safe, chinelas, the usual. And then the robe. Tapos doon namin pinapatong yung aming mga gamit. Ayan. No? So bago ako pumunta doon, punta muna tayo sa restroom dahil nandito yung kanilang restroom agad-agad. So pagpasok mo ng restroom, you'll see sa tapat yung salamin and then the sink, no? And then on the right is, dito pag pumasok ka sa right is their shower area. It is good, malinis, maganda. Ayan, shower area. And then they have a bathtub. I don't know kung anong tawag dito sa room na to, no? I'll ask my wife mamaya. And then, pagpasok mo nga kanina dito, no? So, left side is the toilet. I hope may bidet dahil requirement ko lagi ang bidet. Well, not really requirement, but preferred lagi because nakakadiri pumupo ng walang bidet. So, there is a bidet. So, very good dyan, ha? Very good dyan, Dusit Thani. So, for hotels na merong bidet, sobrang na-appreciate ko yan. And then, of course, lakad konti, the typical salamin na malaki. And then, there's an access sa kabilang kwarto kung kakilala mo yung nasa kabila. Lagayan ng mga gamit. And of course, ayan, bigger bed. So, king size or whatever. And the typical side tables. And then, office area or study area. No? Ayan. And then, the bar, mini bar, nandyan. And of course, the huge TV, malaking TV. So, yan. And then, we have a balcony or terrace, no? That's basically right in front of the infinity pool and the beach, which is good, no? So, ayan. Ando na si Inay Ala, nag-aarte-arte na doon. So, sliding door for the balcony or terrace. Yan, typical, no? So, as you can see, nandito na si Inay Ara. Nag-aarte-arte na siya dyan. Ayan. Hello! And then, so, yan, malaki yung balkonahe. And right in front of the balcony or the terrace is the famous, ano nila, infinity pool. So, let me show the infinity pool. It's from there up until here. Ayan yung infinity pool. Infinity pool and then right in front of the beach. As you can see, nandyan yung beach, no? Sa harap. So, kita nyo yan. Okay? So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the room tour dito sa Dusit Thani. And see you on my next room tours.